Hi, I'm Ben Anderson. I've been at Cireson for over 2 years. I'm a customer success consultant, so really a jack of all trades, as I have to be ready and able to help our customers no matter their needs or project requirements. When it comes to Tikit, I'm most passionate about the powerful automation capabilities and integration options via Power Automate. I think it really opens up the platform to a world of possibilities. Fun fact, I really like mechanical keyboards. I tend to keep buying them, even though I probably don't need a new one. To show you a few that I have here, my most recent purchase was a Tikit HE. That's a Hall Effect mechanical keyboard. My personal favorite is the yellow ducky. Yellow's my favorite color, and this one is really nice, the 60% form factor. And then I have a different version ducky. This is the Frozen Llama. And then just a cheap wireless mechanical keyboard that I can just kind of toss around and not really care too much. And that's just a few of many. I've been fascinated with technology from an early age. I remember as a kid, I would tear apart my toys, electronics to see how they worked. And then later in grade school, I took apart the family computer, and that didn't go over so well, but I did manage to put it back together. But professionally, I started in IT as a college freshman. I worked my way into IT management, and I was there for about 20 years. But I've always had a passion for being really hands-on with technology and tools. And so my switch to Cireson was actually a perfect fit for me. So I just want to say thank you to all of our Cireson customers. If I haven't already, I really look forward to working with you in the future. Bye.